again, and now I got Wendy's new Cajun Crunch, which, look at that. Let's give it a bite and find out how good or bad it is. Immediately hit with a pickle, but a good tender, like very tender, very juicy breast there, just fried to perfection there, with some pepper jack, crispy onion bits. You got the pickle, you got the lettuce, and they give you a fair amount of those onion bits on there. I'm getting the tang of that like spicy mustard. Yeah, and that is a kind of a spicy mustard, kind of almost like a radish mustard. Very good though. Would I call this Cajun? Probably not. It is just a very good spicy chicken sandwich with some crispy onions. But is it worth it? I mean, it is a good chicken sandwich. So yes, it is worth it. It gets an 8 out of 10. It is highly recommended to me and to you now.